to all my Lovin light beings. Welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D. And if you'd like to join the secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. In today's video, we're doing an unboxing of Glossybox. Just got my thumbnail there. We're doing November versus December. And before I get started, this was from my December box. This is a gift card or a voucher for $100 off of an order of wine at $160 or more. Here's the back. Go ahead and pause it and use this, because I don't know if you know or not, but I do not drink alcohol. So if you'd like to have that, go ahead and please, by all means, help yourself. So this is a really pretty box. I've never had anything like this before. There have been a couple that were a different color, but they're usually pink. So this is really beautiful. Nice packaging on this. There's the inside. Here's what it looks like. And they always come with these little flyers with a description. And they're wrapped up in these nice ribbons. Glossybox retails for $21 a month, and I believe it comes with five deluxe size samples. Here's the inside of the description. Let's just go ahead and dive right in. The very first things in here, there's a couple of them. This is by Crimey. HCR 3-in-1 sheet masks, and these are like heavy duty. It says 30 grams or 1 fluid ounce. I've actually never seen a sheet mask this thick with that much volume or liquid in it before. It says one sheet mask retails for $22. Featured size is 2 sheet masks. So this is supposedly $44 worth of sheet masks here. This is probably the most expensive sheet mask I've ever seen. But it'd be really awesome to try, and then since there's 2 of them, I'd like to do it with my mom. Whenever she comes over and spend some time, we'll get together and try that out. Maybe we'll even do a review. But it says, when your skin needs a boost, revitalize, refresh, and restored in just one step with this Crimey's HCR 3-in-1 facial sheet mask. Retinol, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid plump and hydrate skin while boosting luminosity for a dramatically nourished look. So that's pretty awesome. Those are huge. The next thing in here is by Steve Laurent. Oh, I'm sorry. This is by Robin McGraw, Revelation. Excuse me. Georgia Moisturizing Hand Cream by Robin McGraw. This is a full-size product. It retails for $20, 3 fluid ounces. The line inspired by the essence of Robin McGraw's mother, Georgia. Nourishing mango butter and antioxidant-rich milk hydrates, repairs, and protects skin. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly, leaving skin feeling smooth but never slippery, so it's perfect for women on the go. And it's actually got this wrapper on it. Let's see if I can get in here. Take a little bit there. It's very nice and fresh. Doesn't really smell like mangoes, but it does smell very clean. It says made with milk thistle. This hand cream not only hydrates skin but also helps restore a moisture barrier to prevent dryness in the future. So that must be what I smell, is the milk thistle. Like it says, it's not sticky or slippery. So that's really nice. The next thing in here is by Kenra. And it says you either get the dry oil control spray or the shaping spray. And I got the dry oil control spray. Medium hold nourishing spray. Tames frizz and flyaways, and give your hair the 24-hour defense against humidity with Kenra's dry oil control spray. Breakthrough technology combines the power of a medium hold hairspray with the touchability you need for the perfect look every time. So that's awesome. It is in 1.2 ounces. It says 1.2, but the featured size says 1.5, so they must have screwed up there. But the full size is 8 ounces, retails for $19. This was the Steve Laurent product. This is the lip gloss in eggplant. Full size, which is this here, retails for $22. Steve Laurent's lip gloss is made with a luxury lightweight formula that moisturizes and softens lips without that irritating clumping and sticking of other brands. Never tested on animals, the high shine of eggplant's deep burgundy color brings equal parts elegance and sensuality to your lips. Let's go ahead and test it there. It's pretty sheer, actually a little translucent, but it is a nice deep burgundy or mauve color. And then the very last item we have in here for our November glossy box is by Laurent B Beauty. Sorry, I can't see. This is Reparative Cuticle Oil. Featured size 0.34 ounces, retails for $22. Revive and heal cuticles with a custom blend of 14 plant and flower oils. Combined with amino acids, the oil hydrates and smooths for youthful, healthy skin. Easily apply the oil with a dropper tip, and within seconds your cuticles will be absorbing the oil's restorative properties. So that's awesome. Let's go ahead and try this out really quick. So there's the little oil dropper they're talking about. It's not just for your cuticles. Try on dry areas such as your elbows, hands, and even face. Breathe in the essential oils to alleviate tension and relax. So it does have a little scent to it. Avocado, safflower oil, soybean oil, avocado oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, rice oil, sunflower oil, lang lang, olive, and lavandin. So that's pretty awesome. Okay. So let's go ahead and go into our December box. Once again, these retail for $21 a month. They either come with 5 deluxe size or full size products. I'm missing sheet masks. So let's go ahead and open this up. This one just came off. It was like they were in a hurry. There's the products there. Here's the inside. The first thing that I'm drawn to is this Luna by Luna, and I believe I actually received this in October. This is Luna by Luna translucent powder, 5 grams as featured. This is a full-size product, retails for $22. There it is there. Let me actually see. Yep, here's the one from last couple months ago. I haven't tried it yet. I'm actually trying to get my Derma blend finished. There's the powder. I thought it might have a sticky thing on it, but it doesn't. It's all coming out of there. After finishing your look, lightly brush Luna by Luna loose translucent powder over your face. The powder is perfect for all skin tones and locks in your makeup without adding weight or texture. While your look stays in place, the powder also absorbs oil to reduce unwanted shine. So that's pretty awesome. They're very small and cute. That'd be nice for traveling as well. The next thing in here is by Copper and Crane. This is a radiance mask. This is a full-size product, 3.3 ounces, retails for $45, so that's nice. Inspired by rituals of the ancient Greeks, Copper and Crane's Radiance Mask is fortified with vital minerals and anti-pollutants that detox your skin. Use this radiant mask to unveil a smooth, refreshed, and rejuvenated complexion that will glow with a radiance from within. And it's sealed, so I'm not going to open that up. It says squeeze a generous amount onto fingertips and smooth on clean, dry skin. Avoid eyes, brows, and hairline. Relax for 15 minutes. Loosen mask beginning with jawline and peel off in an upward motion. Awesome. So this is a peel off mask. I really enjoy these, so I'll be looking forward to trying that out. That's really awesome. Copper and Crane. Sounds pretty expensive. The next thing in here is by Becca. This is a liquid crystal lip topper glow gloss. This is a full-size product, retails for $22. It's 0.17 ounces. Kaleidoscope pearls catch the light to give lips a glossy holographic shine. Meanwhile, vitamin E, coconut oil, and olive oil soften and hydrate for a lush, plump pout. Combined with subtle, intoxicating scent of coconut and vanilla, your smirk will be completely irresistible. I do have a little chapstick on, but let's go ahead and try this out. Nice and smooth, not sticky at all. Definitely has some shine to it. I have really dry lips, sorry. It does have a coconut taste, but if you can't see, it's got these golden peachy. It's almost like a duochrome between gold and peach. So that's really awesome. Love Becca. It's got this nice lid on it. So we've got two more things in here. This one is by Kryolan highlighter in cashmere. Oh, so it's in highlighter. This is 4.5 grams. This retails for $19.50. Kryolan's lightweight cream packs a powerful punch with a glossy finish. Perfect to use on cheekbones, lips, and anywhere else you choose to highlight. Your skin will bask in a beautiful velvety glow without the mess of a powder highlighter. It can be easily applied with fingers or a brush. So it's a cream highlighter. If you can see that. I actually have CC cream right here, but it's not too bright, not too blingy. It definitely doesn't have any glitter in it. So if you're more of that natural glow, you might enjoy that. Once again, it's by Kyrolan, Kyrolan. Awesome. And then the very last thing in here is by Jafar, Jafar, Royale. This is a luxury lipstick Full size is $16, which is this, available in 10 colors, and this is in the shade Victoria. It is a dark red. I always have a problem with these, and it doesn't help that I just put on a bunch of moisturizer and lip gloss, and my fingers are wet. But it says, Jafar's luxury lipstick keeps lips looking powerfully alluring, made with Jafar's exclusive royal jelly RJX technology. Antioxidants, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and essential amino acids come together to create undeniable hydration, giving you soft, supple lips. The shades will vary. Oh my gosh, I thought I almost had it. And all the ingredients and stuff are on this little packaging. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so sorry. Oh, there we go, almost had it. This is the last product. Oh well, it came off enough there. There we go here. It's like this bright red. Bright cherry red. I actually have on a bunch of lip gloss. So that didn't work. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this Birch Glossybox unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. I enjoy reading each and every single one of your comments. Don't forget, I do have a giveaway going on for the James Charles palette, and it is Christmas Eve. I am going to be giving it or picking my winner on Christmas night, and then I'll probably post the video the following day. So you have about the rest of today and tomorrow in order to do that. But good luck. Wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.